Let's meet them. Rani and Raju were on their way to Chennai from Jammu. Their school had closed for the summer vacation and it was just the right time to visit grandma and grandpa in the village. It was a long journey by train. Rani and Raju wondered how they would pass the time. They carried with themselves a pack of cards, a toy game, and lots of storybooks to keep them busy during the journey. Little did they know that they would meet a number of interesting passengers whose lives and experiences would make their journey very interesting and that their time would just fly. It was also important for the children to find out about people in different professions as this was part of their project for the holidays. Just sitting opposite to Rani on the lower berth was a young lady writing something on a piece of paper. Rani was curious to know what she was doing. On inquiring, she learned that the lady was a famous writer of children's storybooks. She was trying to think and write some stories for children. Rani introduced herself to the lady and tried to find out about her work. She learned that her name was Ravinder Kaur and she belonged to Jalandhar. Rani, why did you become a writer? Ravinder, well, it's something that has always fascinated me. My favorite hobby has also been creative writing and reading. Even when I was small, like you, I loved to read storybooks. I loved reading horror and adventure stories. I would spend hours in a library near my house reading books. Now, of course, I read novels, magazines, and newspapers regularly. Whenever I read something interesting or I experience something good, I like to write about it. I have always been good at creative writing. While at school, I was highly appreciated by my teachers for my interesting and imaginative essays, stories, and writings. Rani, how did you start writing storybooks for children? Ravinder, I did my graduation with English. Thereafter, I did a special course in creative writing. Seeing my talent in writing, my father encouraged me to write articles for magazines and newspapers. These were highly appreciated. Thus, I got initiated into writing. But my desire was always to write storybooks for children. I was very lucky when one of the leading publishers read my articles and asked me to do some stories for them. Do you know, some of my stories have been turned into films. Rani, is it hard to become a writer? Ravinder, nothing is difficult if you try hard. But of course, you should be interested in a variety of reading and writing if you want to be a writer. Rani, who are the writers who have inspired you? Ravinder, Amrita Pritam, Khushwant Singh, Ruskin Bond, Salman Rushdie, Premchand, Rabindranath Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others. Rani, did you know any writer when you were of my age? Ravinder, not really. I knew them through their writings. Rani, what do you do with your writings? Ravinder, I send them to publisher who gets them printed and published. Rani, how do your books reach the children? Ravinder, the publisher gets the books illustrated, printed, and then sends them to different booksellers who sell the books. Rani, can you tell me the names of some of your books? Ravinder, Tales from Far and Near, The Haunted House, The Boy Who Ran Away, etc. Have you read any of my books? Rani, excitedly, oh yes, I got one of them as a birthday present. I really enjoyed the book. I'm so lucky to be meeting the author. Can I request you to autograph my book? Ravinder, it's my pleasure.